Judgment is coming for soul. People have been dying for years and centuries, all because of your system that's full of hypocrisy, so much brutality. Oh, grace, justice and inequality. Oh,
This place is magnificent.